Welcome back. It's grammar time with Mrs. Clevenger again. And this week, we're going to be reviewing our parts of speech. Haven't you always wanted to become a parts of speech superstar? Yeah, me too. So here's your chance. Grab your ELA notebook and your pencil and get ready to take some grammar notes. Remember, parts of speech are our nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, pronouns, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. There are 8 types of parts of speech. Some I know you know well, and some you could use a little bit more time reviewing. So here we go. Now, during 3rd grade and now in 4th grade, you've already met several parts of speech superstars. Now it's your turn to become a parts of speech superstar. First, let's review how to identify each part of speech. How do I know if a word is a noun? Read the word in a sentence. I heard the telephone ring. That is so ironic because I just got a package right now and the doorbell just rang. That's funny. Okay, I'm going to move on. I heard the telephone ring. Ask yourself, is telephone a person in this sentence? No. Is telephone a place in this sentence? No. Is telephone a thing in this sentence? Yes, telephone is a thing. Therefore, it is a noun. Remember, a noun is a person, place, or thing. If all the answers are no, then it has to be a different part of speech. How do I know if a word is a verb? Read the word in a sentence. He kicked the ball into the goal. Ask yourself, is kick an action in this sentence? Yes. Therefore, it is a verb. Or, can you kick? Yes, I can kick with my foot. Therefore, it is a verb. Remember, verbs are action words when someone or something is doing something, and it doesn't always require movement. Sleeping and thinking are also verbs. If the answers are both no, it has to be a different part of speech. How do I know if a word is a pronoun? Read the word in a sentence. Would you help me with my homework? Ask yourself, is you taking the place of a noun in this sentence? Yes, you is taking the place of the person's name. Therefore, it is a pronoun. If the answer is no, it has to be a different part of speech. Remember, pronouns are words we use to replace nouns, like he, she, we, us, him, her, they. Those are all pronouns. There is another pronoun in the sentence above. Can you find it? Would you help me with my homework? You guessed it, me is the other pronoun in the sentence. How do I know if a word is an adjective? Read the word in a sentence. The scary book made me shiver. Ask yourself, is scary describing something in this sentence? Yes, scary is describing the book. Scary is an adjective. Or the blank what? The scary what? The scary book. Scary is an adjective. Remember, adjectives are words we use to describe nouns, like pretty, tall, hairy. Those are adjectives. If the answer to the first question is no and you can't complete the second statement, it has to be a different part of speech. Adjectives describe nouns. How do I know if a word is an adverb? You might want to write this one down. Read the word in a sentence. The baby cried loudly. Ask yourself, is loudly answering one of these questions about a verb, adjective, or another adverb? How much, when, where? Yes, loudly answers the question how. Remember, adverbs describe verbs. How did the baby cry? Loudly. Therefore, it's an adverb. If the answers are all no, it has to be a different part of speech. Adverbs describe verbs. How do I know if a word is a preposition? Read the word in a sentence. The telephone rang during the game. Ask yourself, is during showing how a noun is related to another word in the sentence? Let's check the list. Yes, during is showing a time relationship between the game and when the phone rang. Remember, prepositions show us relationships between where, when, and how. Remember, time, location, movement, direction. Therefore, it's a preposition. If the answer is no, it has to be a different part of speech. How do I know if a word is a conjunction? You remember your fanboys. Read the word in a sentence. Meg likes playing soccer, but she likes playing basketball more. Ask yourself, is but joining words or phrases in this sentence? Yes, but is joining two phrases. But is acting like glue. Joining Meg likes playing soccer and she likes playing basketball more. Remember, conjunctions connect words, phrases, and sentences together. Don't forget your fanboys. Therefore, it's a conjunction. If the answer is no, then it has to be a different part of speech. How do I know if a word is an interjection? Read the word in a sentence. Yay, we won the game. Ask yourself, is yay being used to show emotion in this sentence? Yes, yay is being used to show the emotion of excitement in this sentence. Therefore, it's an interjection. If the answer is no, it has to be a different part of speech. Remember, you can go back, pause, rewind whenever you need to. What are some other clues that tell you yay is an interjection? Sometimes it has an exclamation point. Interjections are words we use to show excitement or emotion. Also, yay is not related to the other words in the sentence. Now it's your turn to be a parts of speech superstar. How, you might ask? Determine the correct part of speech in the following sentences. Here we go. Nancy Noun's parents cheered as she walked to the stage to accept the award. They were extremely proud of her. What part of speech is walked in this sentence? Is it A, noun, B, verb, C, adverb, or D, preposition? Did you say B? It's a verb, right? Because the word walked is an action. Nancy Noun's parents cheered as she walked to the stage to accept the award. They were extremely proud of her. What part of speech is the word stage in this sentence? Is it A, adjective, B, pronoun, C, noun, or D, preposition? What do you think? Do you think it's C, noun? Stage is a thing. Remember, nouns are person, people, place, or thing. What part of speech is extremely in this sentence? They were extremely proud of her. Extremely. Is it A, an adverb, B, a verb, C, an adjective, or D, an interjection? Did you say it's A, an adverb? It's describing a verb, right? How proud were they? Extremely proud. Proud is the verb. Extremely is describing proud. It's an adverb. What part of speech is her in this sentence? They were extremely proud of her. Is it A, conjunction, B, a pronoun, C, an adjective, or D, a preposition? Did you say B, pronoun? You're correct. Her is a pronoun. Remember, pronouns are words we use to replace nouns. What part of speech is to in this sentence? Nancy Noun's parents cheered as she walked to the stage to accept the award. Is it A, a conjunction, B, a preposition, C, an adverb, or D, a verb? It's a preposition. You're right. Remember, prepositions describe where, when, or how. What part of speech is yes in this sentence? Yes, Paula Pronoun wore a long dress and a rose headband to the award ceremony. Is it A, a verb, B, an adverb, C, an interjection, or D, a conjunction? If you said C, you are correct. It's an interjection. It's something that shows emotion or excitement. Let's do one more. Yes, Paula Pronoun wore a long dress and a rose headband to the award ceremony. What part of speech is the word wore in this sentence? Is it A, verb, B, adverb, C, preposition, or D, a conjunction? Hopefully you say that it's A. It's a verb. It's what she's doing. It's an action. She wore that long dress. Hey, you know what? I kind of lied. Let's do one more. What part of speech is long in this sentence? Paula Pronoun wore a long dress and a rose headband. Is it A, adverb, B, pronoun, C, adjective, or D, a noun? What do you guys think? What kind of part of speech is the word long? Hopefully you said C, adjective, because it's describing the dress. Remember, adjectives describe nouns. Well, hopefully that was fun and a good review for you. Remember, you can go back anytime to add to your notes. Have fun practicing and reviewing your parts of speech this week. Bye, everybody. I'll see you next time.